Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 ergonomic keyboards for ultimate comfort and productivity. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Deluxe GM901 wireless ergonomic split keyboard. Wireless and versatile, the Deluxe GM901 offers a split design with 2.4G USB and Bluetooth connectivity, BT1 BT2, and an easy-to-replace AAA battery. It features a soft palm rest for added comfort, making it compatible with both Windows and Mac users. The advantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: comfortable split design reduces wrist strain. Dual connectivity options ensure versatility. Battery powered, so no charging is required. The disadvantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: requires AAA batteries. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Xiaomi Professional Gaming Office Keyboard. Ideal for gaming and office use. This Xiaomi keyboard boasts 104 keys with full key rollover and RGB backlighting. It features mechanical key switches and an ergonomic design for comfortable typing sessions. The advantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: mechanical keys provide a satisfying typing experience. RGB backlighting adds a customizable touch. Full key rollover prevents missed inputs during gaming. The disadvantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: wired-only design limits portability. Can be loud due to mechanical switches. At number 3. Ajazz AKL 680 Bluetooth 5.0 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Compact and functional. The Ajazz AKL 680 comes with 68 keys, RGB lighting, and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast, wireless performance. Its ergonomic design makes it perfect for gamers and laptop users who need a portable keyboard. The advantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: compact 68-key design saves desk space. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures reliable wireless connectivity. RGB lighting enhances the gaming experience. The disadvantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: limited number of keys might restrict some functions. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. VGN V87 Pro 3-mode mechanical keyboard. The VGN V87 Pro offers a 3-mode connection, customizable mechanical switches, and a hot swappable design. With its ergonomic structure, this keyboard is ideal for users who want to fine-tune their typing experience. The advantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: 3 connection modes provide flexibility. Hot swappable switches allow for easy customization. Ergonomic layout promotes comfort during long use. The disadvantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: higher price range due to customization features. At number 1. Mechanical Keyboard Retro Non-Slip Wired Punk Green Axis. With a unique retro aesthetic, this keyboard features 108 keys, RGB backlighting, and a non-slip design. Perfect for both office and gaming, it provides an ergonomic experience with added flair. The advantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: retro design adds a stylish touch to any setup. Non-slip base ensures stability. Full RGB lighting for personalization. The disadvantages of this ergonomic keyboard are: wired only limits flexibility. Large size may not fit smaller desks.